So about 10 years ago I bought myself an XYZprinting Da Vinci 1.0 3D printer, and I printed a whole bunch of stuff with it over these years, and it's finally come to the point where I need to retire the thing and replace it. It's accumulated about 1,575 printing hours, and it was during the period of early 3D printing when I got it, and of course the technology today is a lot better. And you know, I printed stuff off of Thingiverse and got stuff on there from what I've printed, also on my Instagram. Of course, even here on the YouTube channel I've got some videos of stuff that was being printed on the printer as well. But like I say, it's kind of gotten aged up and old, and it's just time to retire because the glass print bed and its heater got replaced at one point. I've had to fix the wires for the hot end on the extruder. I've had wires broken on the stepper motors internally that I had to fix, and the USB port on the main board failed, so I had to use the SD card along with a little extension cable because the SD card was actually inside the unit behind an enclosure, and had to change slicers and all that. So the printer was getting pretty beat up and used over the years, and you know, it's gotten to the point now where I just can't really print a whole lot with it at all reliably. So yeah, we're going to basically retire it here, and then in a follow-up video I'll show you what I've replaced it with.